Hey everybody, it's Spencer with Barwood Cabinets, Monday Morning Mistakes with Design and Cabinetry. I'm at a job site today with Alan Warner, and the installers who installed this job made a mistake I see a lot, and I'm going to try to keep y'all from making it, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is right now. When you have a pull-out trash can, full height door, just like this, okay? The door is the same height as the cabinet, no drawer above. Trash can pulls all the way out, and the trash can is attached to the front door. A lot of people will go in, let me turn that around, and they will put the handle down here in the center panel. That center panel is only a 1/4 inch thick. After a amount of time, that's going to completely come loose and come apart. What you need to do is put the handle in the top portion, which is 3/4 inch thick on your door. That'll give it more stability, and it'll give it a longer lasting effect when they open and close that door. So remember, don't put it in the thin area of the center panel, put it at the top rail of your door front. Hope this helps. See you next week.